Welcome to the National Self-Building Renovation Centre. My name is Rob Bohm and I work part-time here at the centre, but also I'm head of the Heating and Sustainability Department at CLPM Limited. I also run a renovation course and have a look at our lovely renovation house behind us. And what I do is I help people to understand what is the best way of renovating your property. And why would you want to renovate your property? Primarily to reduce your energy costs and reduce your carbon costs. And what I do is I run a course which gives you a lot of information regarding how to improve your house in terms of energy efficiency, insulation, heating solutions and the like. It's a full day course and you'll get an awful lot of information and people certainly come away with a great feeling from that day. So please, if you want to contact us at the NSBRC to find out more. Thank you.